Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive. Stock number Z95248. 78,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new. Iridium Metallic in color. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5. Leather interior. Custom fit WeatherTech mats throughout for easy cleaning. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, trailering package, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, to read gauges with driver information system, wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, lane departure warning, and that's also where you set the forward collision alert, along with cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Climate control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Terrain, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.